people have been giving people advice on the internet about what to do and what not to do in your videos, and I want to give my take on that. I feel like do whatever makes you comfortable, and do not get discouraged by the advice that is on the internet. You don't have to talk at 2 times X speed just because everyone wants to get the message faster. I feel like a problem with this generation is instant gratification. There's no reason why you need to make all these tweaks to yourself to be digestible on the internet. If your fan base doesn't appreciate the reality of slowness and that's what you want to bring to the table, then that's not the right fan base for you. If you want to assimilate, go ahead, but I found it hard to just like assimilate to this like super demanding list of what it looks like to be a content creator. Just know you do not have to take all that advice from the internet. You don't have to take everyone's advice in the world. Like, you can't even exist in one person taking every single bit of advice that there is out there. So I really hope that makes sense. Yeah, I'm about to continue with my car break. Just soak up some sun, get some quiet time, because I feel like I get lost in the mother identity, which is just like rage cleaning, rage curing, rage everything, rage relaxing. But this is my journey. And this is a good time to do a comment of the day, a comment shout out. Okay, so let's just go to my channel and see who commented. Comment down below if you've been keeping up with the Vlogtober 2024 series. I think I want to take it back to an older video. Let's see. I'm going to take it back because I want to do the struggles of being a content creator when you have something to say and you keep messing up your words. That is like one of the things that just will make you think that this life is not for you. If you don't fight through that, when someone commented, I don't know why I clicked on this video, but I'm glad I did. And I said, hi, well, I'm glad you did too, because that just lets me know that new viewers are coming to my channel and discovering me from the videos that I put out there. And just like, it's basically like just saying hi. Like, I just stopped by. In my description it says hello, welcome to my corner. No, does it say hello? Maybe it just says welcome to my corner of the internet. And I feel like if you're coming on to my corner of the internet, leaving a comment is like very, very encouraging. So thank you. I am gonna get some more clips for today, and thank you for sticking around with me in these moments. It is Vlogtober day 6, and I did not upload yesterday because I was tired and burnt out. So I decided we're gonna group the weekends into one video, since that's what I did this weekend, and I do want to uphold my word and be consistent. In reality, I didn't do anything yesterday, and it was kind of like I was just drained, but you'll see those clips and how drained I was. I did make chili yesterday, and I feel like with it being fall that video had more potential, but I'm not perfect. So today I am starting my day. Actually no, I cleaned up the whole place, honestly. I cleaned up. I was too overstimulated to record that, and I don't know how I feel about cleaning up on the internet yet. Although when y'all make y'all cleaning up videos, those motivate me to do mine. So I guess I'm gonna just continue to be inspired while making my own content on my own terms. I have some hash browns in the oven that I'm about to take out. For today's little drinky drink, we have some Good Belly probiotics. If you are an Aldi shopper, you know that this came from Aldi's. But yeah, I feel like this definitely works. This is a gut health drink, so I think it like it does this. That should be more than enough time. So yeah, that's the benefits of this drink. And I poured 8 ounces because that's the serving size. And if you're a texture person like me, it got texture to it. Kind of like kombucha, like the little cultures at the bottom. This has 20 billion probiotics per serving and a couple live cultures in it. So yeah, anyways, I have to take my sausage off the stove. Let me show y'all what I like to put on my hash browns these days. I like to use this Taco Bell mild sauce along with some raw, organic raw and unfiltered honey. So I shake this up, drizzle it, not too much. Then I take the honey, go like that. And it's kind of like my own hot honey, even though the sauce is not hot. I'm finally in a place where I can talk to y'all. Maybe though. My baby right here is sleepy, so she might be noisy. And I'm just feeding her some peach yogurt. I tried to give her some sweet corn and green beans, but who wants sweet corn and green beans for breakfast anyways? I don't want that, so I'm not eating it. So I added some water to it to try to dilute it. Let's see. I know I look, I feel like I look super washed out, but I feel like that might just be an insecurity. I think diluting this with water actually does help. You want some more? But yeah, so if you look into my description on my channel, I've updated what I put in there and basically saying that my life is going to be a little bit chaotic because I have obligations and responsibilities. So I just feel like that's realistic. Like I'm not at the point where I'm like scripting, having super nice backgrounds, but we're on the way there, honestly. Like you have to take it day by day. You have to take it day by day.
Yeah, my birthday coming up.
As you can see, this is reality, real life. Like I'm trying to like get out my shell. The lighting right here hits, and I do think I'm a little bit afraid to like be perceived. But it's like after I say these things, it's like they're not true. If you a mom, you don't be wanting to just have a rage fit, to just be like say everything you gotta say, and just like give me some space type of thing. Can somebody confirm that in the comments? Unfortunately, I cannot find my camera battery charger, so I'm frantically looking for it and recording off of my iPhone. But I feel like this should be fine. I made me a little breakfast. I've already dug into it, trying to get a clip. This area is disorganized, but also organized at the same time. I feel like ever since I put this little stand up, I've been losing stuff.